Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered about the latest ways to make money online, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into the top 15 money-making online facts for 2023. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or even transition to a full-time online career, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Fact 1, Rise of the Creator Economy Host. The creator economy has exploded in recent years. Individuals are now monetizing their content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. From sponsored posts to merchandise sales, creators are building sustainable income streams around their passions. Fact 2, NFTs and digital art host. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have taken the art world by storm. Artists can now sell digital art and collectibles directly to their audience, bypassing traditional galleries. It's a fascinating intersection of technology and creativity. Fact 3, e-commerce and dropshipping host. E-commerce continues to thrive. With dropshipping, you can set up an online store without holding any inventory. You only purchase products from suppliers when you make a sale. It's a low-risk way to start your own online business. Fact 4, remote freelancing host. Working remotely has become the norm. Freelancers are leveraging platforms like Upwork and Freelancer to offer their skills to clients worldwide. This flexible model allows you to choose projects that align with your expertise. Fact 5, online tutoring and courses host. If you're an expert in a particular field, online tutoring and course creation can be highly profitable. Websites like Udemy and Coursera provide a platform to share your knowledge and earn money. Fact 6, affiliate marketing host. Affiliate marketing remains a popular choice. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale, you can generate passive income by leveraging your online presence. Fact 7, content subscription models. Content creators are turning to platforms like Patreon and OnlyFans to offer exclusive content to their subscribers. This direct-to-fan approach can provide a steady income while building a dedicated community. Fact 8, remote job opportunities. Many companies are embracing remote work. You can now find online job opportunities ranging from customer service to software development, allowing you to work from the comfort of your home. Fact 9, app and software development. The demand for apps and software is unceasing. If you have coding skills, you can create and sell your own applications or collaborate with businesses to develop custom solutions. Fact 10, social media management. Businesses are in constant need of managing their social media presence. If you have a knack for creating engaging content and growing online communities, social media management could be your avenue to profit. Fact 11, virtual events and webinars. Virtual events and webinars have become integral for businesses and individuals to connect with their audiences. Hosting or organizing such events can lead to substantial earnings. Fact 12, remote health and fitness coaching. Health and fitness enthusiasts can offer their expertise online through coaching, workout plans, and personalized guidance. This trend combines passion for wellness with a sustainable income source. Fact 13, online real estate. Did you know you can invest in online real estate? Buying, improving, and selling websites or domain names can yield impressive returns in the digital realm. Fact 14, gaming and esports. Gaming and esports have evolved into lucrative industries. Professional gamers, streamers, and esports teams are monetizing their skills through sponsorships, advertising, and tournaments. Fact 15, cryptocurrency and trading. Cryptocurrency trading and investing have gained mainstream attention. While it carries risks, individuals who thoroughly understand the market can potentially profit from this fast-paced sector. And there you have it, our top 15 money-making online facts for 2023. The digital landscape offers a plethora of opportunities for those willing to put in the effort and explore their passions. Remember, success in these ventures often requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to adapt. Which of these methods are you most intrigued by? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.